when does the due diligence process start? Well, it really starts when you send your first email or reach out to somebody. The tone of your voice and your email signature and any materials attached or what they see on your website. I mean, that's the beginning of them doing some initial screening before it turns into even listening to the pitch. Most people think of due diligence as being the period that after you've done the pitch over a phone call, they are going to decide, okay, yes, this could be interesting. Thanks for the 20-minute explanation. We want to go into due diligence, or we do not. In my mind, it really starts on the first interaction. Something that happens on the very first interaction could come back to hurt you during due diligence if it conflicts with something else they find, or if something else wasn't disclosed, or if something wasn't positioned in alignment with what is promised later. Then all of those things can be part of the due diligence process and something that they consider.